ដើរមើលណាបងប្អូនបន្តែយើងទិញបានប៉ុណ្ណឹងថ្ងៃនេះពេញគូតឡាន We just come and take a look but now our trunk is full ថ្ងៃនេះពួកយើងមកកន្លែងលក់ដំណាំ We are here at Countryside Greenhouse in Allendale, Michigan. Today is Memorial Day and I believe they're having a sales, but we'll find out when we get inside. បងប្អូនមកកន្លែងលក់ដំណាំជាមួយយើងថ្ងៃនេះធាតុអាកាសល្អបងដកម៉ៃនេះឲ្យតែមានលុយបងប្អូនយើងទិញអីក៏បានដែរ It's kind of breezy. Oh, it's not. I wonder where they put these at in the winter time, because this one is annual, you know. Down there. Near Casa.
Is it annual?
Yeah, it's annual. I think they put it inside. We should ask them where they put it. But they have a greenhouse. They put high low. Yeah, put it in the greenhouse though. Look, bong paon. Oh, look at this. I think they just built these.
They built it before.
I didn't see that. Did I pay attention? No, I guess not. Oh, look at the banana tree. Is it for sale? Remember they for sale for $1,000? Oh, and not in there? Click vô attach bong bong. One card or two cards? No, I'm talking about us. Are we gonna need one or two?
Just one.
Just one. Are you sure?
I got a back of some.
Well, you hear that, bong bong? ធ្វើសាក់សីគេថាគេអត់ទិញច្រើនទេណាគ្រាន់តែមកស្ទាបអង្អែល We're not gonna buy a lot, okay? We just gonna check it out. This is what inside look like. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Nice. This is nice. Watch me glow. Okay, top time saat dah bang paon ni. They decorate so beautiful. Hah? មកបងប្អូនមកមើលដំណាំ You call your sister yet?
Yeah, signal there.
មកមើលដំណាំបងប្អូនកន្លែងនេះធំណាស់ Okay, honey. To the right. Yeah, right and then to the left and then go home. No spend money, okay? អត់ចាយលុយណាបងប្អូន We'll see how much we gonna spend. Ooh.
Yeah.
We're just here to come and take a look around. Oh, nice. Oh, they delivery. Oh, $79
Yeah.
for delivery. That is so beautiful. ស្អាតណាស់បងប្អូន Oh, ផ្កាច្រើនណាស់ Lots of flower. Oh, they have my favorite flower color. Oh. Turn right first, right. Stick to the right. នេះមកមើលផ្កាបងប្អូន ហ៎ Ooh, jasmine, honey. Jasmine tree. Ooh, ah.
Yeah, the one I have with
Ooh, ស្អាតណាស់នេះ ដើម jasmine ដើមផ្កាម្លិះ Ooh, ក្អូបណាស់បងប្អូន ដើមផ្កាម្លិះ តម្លៃប៉ុន្មាន Let's say the price. Oh, $50 for a jasmine tree. But it smells good. It smells so good. Ooh, flower. Oh, down dahlia. Tom, it. That is big. Ooh, that's pretty. That's your color. Oh, wow. $40. Oh, dahlia. Oh, that one too. That is pretty. Oh, it's hot, isn't it? Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, this one is pretty too.
I heard him say he
Nè. ដើរមើលណាបងប្អូនបន្តែយើងទិញបានប៉ុណ្ណឹងថ្ងៃនេះពេញគូតឡាន We just come and take a look but now our trunk is full. Peñ cút lan.